Most people think they need 20 extra hours a week to start a side hustle. But the truth is, you only need one, a focused hour and a repeatable task. And over time, that hour starts to pay off. Let's start with something simple, user testing. Companies want real feedback on their websites and apps, and they'll pay you to give it. You click around, speak your thoughts out loud, and hit submit. That's it. Tests take about 15 minutes and payments can vary. It's a perfect way for earning money in your free time. Next up, selling digital printables. If you enjoy designing planners, budget sheets, or aesthetic to-do lists, you can sell them online. Use free tools like Canva, upload them to Etsy or Gumroad, and you're done. Create once, and people can buy it again and again. Even if just 5 people buy your $5 planner each week, that's $100 a month, and you only spent an hour creating it. Now, let's talk about Upwork. If you can write, proofread, edit videos, or even record voiceovers, you can charge money for your time. 1 hour of work can easily earn you $20 to $100, depending on your skills. And if you're just starting out, AI tools can help you deliver value fast. Another idea, affiliate links. You already share things you love, books, apps, tools. Why not get paid for it? Make a simple blog or Linktree page, paste your affiliate links, and share them in forums, Pinterest, or TikTok. It takes time to grow, but even one $5 commission per week adds up. Set it up in 1 hour a week and let it build itself. And if you want to stay offline, try TaskRabbit or Rover. You can set availability for just 1 hour a week. Walk a dog, help someone move a couch, tutor a student, and get paid each time at your preferred price. No commitment, just availability. You don't need to hustle harder, you just need to start smaller. 1 hour a week isn't much, but it's a start. And sometimes, that's all you need.